In this tutorial video, we will show you how you can create wardrobes with unique shape. This example will be presented on this project. The task is to turn the empty space below the stair into a useful storage. So we will create a cabinet which fits exactly here. So now the shape of the empty space below the stair is a triangle. We could start with measuring the size of this shape and then create it with the existing dimensions. But now we want to show a faster and easier way by using ARCHLine.XP tools. Before you start working, click on Ribbon Bar, Interior, KBB, Cabinet command. Here we can create customized items. If we click on the Shape tab, we can specify the shape of the corpus. That is the overall surrounding shape of the furniture. Here we can choose from the predefined shapes, or by clicking on the last option, we can create a customized shape. Many opportunities are offered by the program. Here can be found objects. If we select the sloped furniture, we can make further modifications by clicking on Cogwheel. At the moment, we are not going to use any of these shapes, but we will create a completely new one. It is important to check one special option within the settings. Navigate to Properties of Stair and select the Support tab. Here must be selected all floors options next to the Cut the Walls command. Close the dialog window with OK. The essence of this command is that drawing a wall below the stair, then automatically it will be cut by the stair. Start the wall command and draw the wall along the outer edge of the stair. Activate the 3D window. You can see that this wall nicely embedded under the stair. Adjust the wall with the Change Length command. Click on the right point. Finally, on the left, under Properties, change the total thickness to 1000 mm, so the wall will fit entirely under the staircase. We will create an object from this wall. Click on Ribbon Bar, Interior, Single Object, New Object command. Select the wall with one click and save it. We will use the previously saved wall as an object. Let's go back again to the Cabinet tool, the Shape tab, choose Custom option. Click on the blue cross icon and find the previously saved object in the library. After selecting it, the furniture immediately picks up the new shape. There was no need for any measurements or calculation. This way, we simply solve the problem. It is a good solution when we have to create customized furniture under the roof. Some settings should be modified before we can place it to the final position. Under General Settings, we should disable the corpus legs. Lock the carcass height so the value will be kept. Then change the space for legs to 0. We can add dividers, drawers and doors. When we finished, delete the wall and the object below the stair and place the previously created customized furniture there.